Kingston College continued their preseason preparation for the upcoming schoolboy football season with a 1-0 win over rivals CALABAR in Saturday's David Wagahunt Memorial Classic at the Barbican Field. Last season's Super Cup champions found the winner 5 minutes before the end of play thanks to Javon James.
It was a fairly decent performance. We didn't play as well as I know we could, and Calabar was really physical out there, but all in all, we scored a goal, and at the end of the day, we are very happy for that.
Most definitely, it's very important to see we, a competitive fashion with our rivals, So we see where we need to work on, and we see where our strengths lie. So, all we have to do is go back to the training ground and just fix things as we go forward.
And despite the 2018 team going down to a defeat, Calabar's Championship Manning Cup team of 2005, coached by Hunt, was honored on the day. CONROY Cunningham scored the winning goal 13 years ago.
Definitely, it's speechless. It's definitely a sublime feeling, to be honored amongst great players like, the rest of the other winning players, the medieval players, so with Coach Shaka, manager Morgan, so definitely a proud moment, We'll never forget these moments.
Co-chairman of the foundation, Christopher Hunt, who is David Hunt's brother, was pleased with the tangible ways Hunt's memory is being preserved.
As a family, I'm just so amazed with the growth, the committee members, the sponsorship that we have received. It's just, very rewarding to see that the brand that we have created in giving these scholarships. So over the 10 years, it has been a tremendous success, and I hope that we'll continue to have more growth as we go forward.
The foundation provides $100,000 scholarships to 4 students from Kingston College and Calabar each year, with 17 students now in the program.